We're paying a shop $725 to do this. I'm gonna show you how to do it yourself. It's a very simple job. Now, the reason these struts are getting replaced is the strut mount, which is way up here. Whenever the wheel's turning, the mount, which mounts to the car, is free. It's separated like this little base, which, you know, lets it spin but still stay connected. It's all rusted away in there, and when you turn, it sounds like crackling, like a nice little grinding noise, and we're gonna get rid of it. First thing we're gonna start off with this little ABS sensor, which is just gonna break off inside here. They put plastic and all this metal corrodes around it. Just try your best to make sure it doesn't. Maybe. Oh, I broke it anyway. See? Yeah, it's gonna break no matter what, so just forget about it. All right, at the 13 millimeter, we're going to separate these two right here. Start with the top one. And then remember the brake line goes on the bottom. Okay, pretty simple there. Spray that down, spray that down. Now before we tackle those, we're going to tackle this sway bar link, which is right there. And if you ever see anything this rusty, you need fire, lots and lots of fire. Let's hope that does it. Get it nice and smoky. That's a 14 millimeter. So that was wildly annoying, but we got it off. Had to switch to the old-fashioned way, which took a 5mm hex bit with a 14mm ratcheting wrench. Took that right off. Now we're at the 21mm socket. We're going to take these 2 nuts off right here. Just shake the strut back and forth while pulling those out. They are the same size on this vehicle, so you don't have to worry about mixing them up. Now, next thing to do is to head up top and release the 3 15mm bolts. Nuts, I should say, not bolts. Last one, remember, get a hold of the strut. Because it's going to fall out. And you're done. Now you're going to want to check out the new. And we know it's not rusted and crusted like that. And you're just going to put it in the same exact way. Keep your nuts in one hand and just push that up and line it up. Now I never tighten up those right away. I always leave them loose, so this thing's, you know, you can move it around quite a bit and not sure where I left off at. The battery overheated, but I got the 14mm swing rod link nut put back on. I'm going to focus on trying to get these back through. It's just kind of tricky. You just got to wibble wobble them back and forth until they get there right to the right spot. And I can't see because you guys are in the way. So I'm just going to done. This is where you're going to want to have a 21mm wrench handy so you can grab a hold of that. ABS wire goes on first. And then brake line goes on first. ABS wire attaches to that. And then tighten those down and you're done for down here. Last thing I like to do is I like to put the front tires on the ground. See how these pop all the way up now, so it's fully planted. Now go tighten up the other side and you are done. Say 15 to 20 minutes for each side. Say 30 minutes for you because it's your first time doing that. In an hour, you just saved yourself $700 minus whatever your parts are going to cost. But since I saved you all that money, go hit that like, subscribe button, buy some merch. If you're looking for some high quality LEDs for this car or any other vehicle, hop down into any video in the description. Down there is a link. Use my referral code for a discount. Like, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.